This is Rev Barby Soliman from Godfeed Pathways to Success. Yes, and now the Life and Soul Mastery Boutique. I promise I will get to you guys today. Today is Monday's Memorial Day. I give my greatest honor to all those that fight for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Honor and Namaste, meaning that my divine blesses their divine wherever they may be. Swast to all the angels and archangels, especially Michael, protects thee unto our welcome home, safe and sound and in peace. But going back to what I promised yesterday, I promised that I would have a wonderful, wonderful surprise for you guys. On remorse that started, goodness gracious, going forward last Monday, on the 19th, it began its wonderful moving forward process. And I wanted to invite you guys to take advantage that this wonderful, nice session that I do that includes the Auric reading, the cleansing, the chakra balancing, and all of the wonderful interpretation. You get 2 full reports. You get not just this specific program, but you get the other video as well. It's very beautiful, and usually I charge for that $150. But today I really thought I wanted to do an introduction, a real introduction, like Verlana, my big guardian angel, who I am very grateful for her presence in my life, told me, Barbie, there's an exchange of energies. There's a huge exchange of energies that if you only realize the fact that I may give it for free, but you guys will not get any value of it. Regardless of the value of it, there has to be an exchange. So she said to me, bring it down to $50. Bring it down to a price that anyone can afford. Bring this, which is an amazing tool that allows you to see your energy vortices, your energy fields. It will let you see how well are your chakras connected. How are they doing? What can you do? How can you do it? I will cleanse and bless your entire auric field. You will see your meridians in action. You will see your chakras in action. You will see your aura in its all in splendor. And you will have an exchange that will keep on growing and growing in an abundant blessing for all of us. And as you could tell, I am highly, highly, highly spiritual. Today is 79%. And as you could see here, there's lots of whites, lots of whites, lots of whites and light blues and greens. And I am very centered and balanced. Not because my life is an easygoing, beautiful ship, but because I choose, regardless the circumstances that I face on a daily basis, okay? Regardless of any circumstance, I choose to make it the best that I can be. So I offer you this extraordinary, magnificent sample so you can see how, yes, it can be done. And I apologize for the calls coming in, and I will call you back, those that are trying to contact me. It's just that I want to make sure that I keep my promise. I only have 15 spots, okay? So I really, really, really want you guys to take advantage of this. I'm going to be posting it very shortly. And you could tell, look at this, look at my chakras. Look at my chakras shine. It's very interesting because if you notice here, this is my third eye. My third eye and my solar plexus were actually worked on by Talana, my guardian angel, about a week ago with a wonderful friend, Martin Crespo. One extraordinary, magnificent angel, psychic, a man with great knowledge. the only one I can go to. And yes, we worked on my chakras, and especially look at the beam of light up here. This beam of light is thank you, Rolanda, and thank you, Martin, for working on me. Look at, and I'm not doing any healing. I'm not doing anything to myself right now. I am not chanting. I am not doing anything. But yet, look at the brightness of my auric spheres here. And this is because I had a very wonderful cleansing, and you can see how sharp they are, how the loops are going, how it's a beam of light. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Ralana, for working on me. Because I too need help. I am human. And though I am highly spiritual, I can tell you that this is an everyday journey, my friends. And it is in the journey, not in the destination, that we grow most. So it is my honor and pleasure. Here, I'll show you my meridians. See how they're flowing? We have the meridians and we have the bezels, which are the spiritual component of the meridians. And this is my favorite one because it really shows all the my aura. Oh, blessed be, blessed be. And I am going to chant something that Rebecca Marina, my dearest Rebecca Messinger, gave yesterday from a Dr. Pillai that works on the midbrain. And Rebecca, I love you, baby. You're fantastic. I am so honored to be one of your students. I'm so honored to be led in a wonderful spiritual path by you. Anyway, Rebecca said that the word claim brings great joy and love to your life. So I'm going to repeat it, okay? And I want to show you the difference that the vibration does. Glim, 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 glim. The most important thing when you do your chants is to make sure that you feel the high vibration, that extending the wonderful, wonderful sound. I truly believe in the power of the vibration, the feelings, and the sound, in releasing all patterns, in raising your vibration, and getting rid of fears. That's my angel, as she says, a big key to our human survival and thriving against all odds. As you can tell, my auric body is shining. Look at this. It's magnificent. I'm going to chant also the Gayatri mantra. Om Purva Swaha Tat Savitu Varyam Diyojo Prachomaya Om Purva Swaha Tat Savitu Varyam Diyojo Prachomaya Diyojo Prachomaya Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvare Yambargo Limasya Dimahi Diyojo Prachodimayat Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvare Jam bargo di masya di mahi di jojo braccio di majat Om Murva Swaha Tatsaviturvare Jambargo Dimasya Dimahi Vishojo Pracho Dimaya Om Murva Swaha Tatsaviturvare Jambargo Dimasya Dimahi Vishojo Pracho di Majat Om Murva Swaha Tatsaviturvare Jambargo di Masya di Mahi di Jojo Pracho di Majat Om Murva Swaha Tatsaviturvare Yam Bargo di Matsya di Mahi di Jojo Pracho di Maya Om Namaste, my friends. Do whatever you do from your heart and soul. Namaste. Again, this is Rev Barby Soliman from Godspeed Pathways to Success. Now, your life and soul mastery boutique. Meaning that you can come and grow beyond all limits, against all odds. And yes, I work from my heart and soul. And as you can tell, the expansion of my auric field shows you the love in my heart that I have for everything in existence. You can reach me at 305-788-4360. And also at Rev Barby Soliman at gmail.com. So mote it be, my friends. Namaste. Namaste and namaste from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you.